Friends, I'll show you how to make a plane in Infinite Craft game. So first of all, you have to start with water and water to make lake. Now combine lake with water to make ocean. Now combine ocean with earth to make Iceland. Now combine Iceland with Iceland to make continent. Now combine earth and earth over earth to make mountain. Combine earth continent with mountain to make Asia. Combine earth with Asia to make China. Okay, so just combine wind with China to make kite. Fantastic. And just combine kite with wind to make flying. And combine kite with flying to make bird. Once we have bird, now you just need to combine flying with bird to make plane. This is how you can make plane. Hope you like it. Thank you.